Last month, my friend fired his marketing agency. On the way out, they shut his entire website down. Here's what happened. He runs a small functional coffee brand called Healthy Rituals. Last year, he hired a marketing agency to handle everything. 5 grand up front to build the site on Shopify. Then 2,500 a month for maintenance, Facebook ads, and content. Last year, when Q4 rolled around, the holiday season, the agency completely fumbled his ad campaigns. His sales tanked at peak season, but he stuck with them. He kept paying that 2,500 a month, thinking things would turn around. Months went by. Sales stayed mediocre. So last month, he finally pulled the plug and fired them. And on the way out, they took revenge. They pulled his entire website offline. 404. His store, his product pages, his checkout gone. He called me completely panicked. I told him I'd rebuild the whole thing from scratch. 2 days later, this is what went live. Built from scratch in pure HTML. No Shopify themes, no agency lock-in. The hero opens with a product pouch animating in. Every section, every animation, every scroll effect was built by talking to Claude. I pulled the visual inspiration from 21st.dev. Brand stats up top, 7+ functional ingredients, 30 serves per pouch, 0 artificial fillers, then a clean ingredient breakdown. Lion's mane for cognition, MCT for energy, L-theanine for calm focus, prebiotics for the gut, each one with a card, a photo, and a one-line benefit. Real customer reviews, honest feedback right on the homepage. And the checkout. I kept Shopify's checkout for payments. PayPal, Afterpay, crypto all just work. And I bolted my HTML on top. Stripe grade payments, 0 theme tax. The whole site is live again at healthyritualscoffee.com, fully his. If your agency is bleeding you for 2,500 a month, send me a DM. I'll rebuild your site in a weekend and you'll never be held hostage again. Drop a comment if you want one built for your brand. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.